Hello and welcome to Ready Steady Cosplay. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've seen my channel before, welcome back. Today I'm making a historically inspired petticoat from the McCall's pattern 8340, and I am making style B. I am repurposing some old linens from a charity shop for this project. I began by cutting out all of the pattern pieces, making sure to cut the correct ones for the style I am making. If you yourself use this pattern, you will see that the skirt panels have markings for tucks at the bottom. I ignored them while making this skirt, since the tucks are for the 80s-ness of the pattern. You can very easily make your own pattern for a petticoat because it is quite literally two large rectangles gathered at the waist. After I cut the pattern out, I pinned it to the fabric, lining the edges that needed to be on a fold and cut out the right number of pieces to create a ruffle. The first thing I sewed is the skirt panels right sides together using an overlocking stitch on my friend's machine. I mentioned in previous videos that I've been having trouble with my sewing machine, and currently I don't have one at all, because they are completely broken, which is sad, but they were very old. So I've been going around and using my friend's. Next I sewed the ruffle strips together to make one long piece and did a rolling hem along one side. Then I simply sewed down the edge of the other side and pulled the thread to make the ruffle. This was the longest part of the making process because you must be careful to not break the thread. I pinned the ruffle along the bottom edge of the skirt. The ruffle should now be the same length as the circumference of the skirt. Once pinned, I sewed the ruffle on. It is here where I deviate from the pattern instructions, and where it becomes historically inspired. I make an elastic waistband instead of a drawstring, button or hook and eye closure. I cut the elastic slightly longer than it needs to be and put it aside. Then I do a large rolled hem for the waistband as a channel for the elastic. The channel is about 1 inch wide. Make sure to leave an opening so you can thread the elastic in the next step and use a zigzag stitch. I attach one end of the elastic to a safety pin and pin the other end to the fabric. Then I thread the elastic. Finally, once the elastic is back out of the channel, I sew the two ends of the elastic together. I leave the opening so that when I need, I can tie the elastic to shorten it and make a smaller waist size. And that is it. I am very happy with how this petticoat turned out and will probably make more in the future, but I may or may not film it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications for future videos. Feel free to check out my other socials, all at Ready Steady Cosplay. In the future, I will be posting a part 1 video for my clone armor cosplay, as well as a 1940s garment. The garment still is to be determined though. So keep an eye out for that, and I will see you all next time.